talked about.
No, we will not do this. We will not do this. I'm sorry, but like I said, let's set up a meeting. Would you like me to pull it up right now?
Do what you have to do, but I'm going to tell you.
No, I want, like, moving forward with what?
You are?
What is
Yeah.
it?
Oh, I've never seen you janitor in here. That's why I'm asking.
I've been working here for 4 years, sir. Can't get my shit beeped like this. I park right here so I can hear and know what's going on, be alert.
Hey, Danielle.
Hi. Sorry for intruding for coming by. We wanted to resolve and try to get moving forward on some of these issues that we have. So we've looked into and investigated some of the allegations and what we have, and we keep getting more calls and more situations that keep.
So what's your purpose here today, exactly?
To try to get some kind of resolve, so we can not make this.
I don't feel comfortable with this conversation going on right now. Unfortunately, like this is not okay.
Okay.
I'm not a lawyer. I'm not.
Okay. No lawyers.
You got a lawyer right there.
Well, I just want you addressed him at the common council meeting
He
to
addressed
ask for doing.
He addressed me.
Okay, he addressed you to try to get some kind of resolve. We're here to try to make some kind of resolve with it, but
Can we schedule
the light back on? The light back on.
Yeah, the light's allowed to be on.
It's shining right on everything.
No, it's an outdoor light.
It's on right now.
Sir, the light over there at the school shines into her window all the time. So I don't understand why my light is a concern. It's ridiculous, and that's why I'm telling you right now, let's schedule a meeting, let's respond to Danielle's email, schedule a meeting, and I will bring representation with me to talk to you about it. But right now, no one is living in my garage. I have friends over, that's about it.
Nobody's making accusations. I'm just saying the light is shining.
Which light?
The one on the side light that's on right now.
Like the side door light?
Yeah, the one that's hanging and pointing in that direction. Routinely being turned on as soon as she gets home.
I know that they've been working on his car at night time, so
we talked about the same ones we talked about.
No, we will not do this. We will not do this. I'm sorry, but like I said, let's set up a meeting. Let's set up a meeting to go over this because I don't feel comfortable. You guys are bugging in the middle of the day, like you guys didn't even give me a call.
Okay, I understand that. We're just going to escalate this to the next level when we have situations. We can't be wasting our resources.
What? Yeah, I already said that. And that's why I really need you guys to pay attention to my email that I've sent, that I've recapped every single thing. All right? I've recapped every single thing.
We've answered all those
No, you haven't.
items. So.
No, you haven't. Are you kidding me? Would you like me to pull it up right now, sir?
You can.
Would you like me to pull it up right now?
Do what you have to do, but I'm going to tell you.
No, I want, like, moving forward with what? What is the complaint? Are you going to write me
the complaints are.
Are you going to write me a ticket for the light right now? Or is that a code violation? What is the issue?
I think that what the commissioner said, if a complaint comes in, whether it's, ones that you mentioned or ones that anybody, they have to be investigated, right?
Yeah.
If
okay.
someone calls.
So you're coming here to tell me by the police that my light is shining too brightly today, and that light's been there for how long?
I'm just here because we have a good relationship. And,
we do?
And it's fine.
I'm sorry, but I think we're on the wrong page here, guys. I am not okay with the responses that you guys have given me. It's very clear in my email that you guys have not responded to me, right? So if you look at my email, you'll see that I'm not resolved. I have no resolution on this. I am still awaiting responses to my questions. Very specific questions that you have yet to answer. So, again, why don't I have an answer to those questions? Why? Do you feel that you don't need to answer me? No, you haven't. Then respond to the email saying we've answered you. Because you haven't even done that. You haven't even responded to the email.
I guess what specific question? I know the questions that you asked me, we took care of. You were questioning the camera being on or off, and it was on. And other than that, as far as on the police side of things, I know there's some code issues, which I think were at least resolved when we were here.
They're explained what's the difference between that and appeals, because originally I was told that they were appealed because I had to appeal them because you guys came out to my house.
I looked at them and I said,
yeah, but they shouldn't have been made in the first place. They shouldn't have been made in the first place, and that's the part that I'm waiting a response on. Like, why was it said in the first place that someone was living in my garage without anyone going into the garage to even investigate? Why? That's out of protocol, right? Like, if you looked up any code enforcement protocol on how they investigate whether or not someone's living in a building, what would they do? Would they have a checklist? Did you have a checklist when you came into my building, into my garage, to check and see whether or not someone was living there? No, you did not. So, what I'm asking for are very clear indications as to why on earth someone would accuse us of having someone live in our garage.
That was a complaint.
It was a complaint, but it wasn't investigated properly. We're not going to talk about this right now. You've already kind of
answered your question again.
No, you didn't answer my question. My question is in the email, and I wanted the specific protocol. I want the procedures, the documented procedures on how that actually gets investigated, along with any checklists that are available that to me would seem important as part of an investigation. You have a very systematic way of going about investigating.
Since we're here, it's not a police issue, but I mean, I can answer that question now, or maybe you can answer it.
Well, it's code enforcement that actually made the notice of violation, so I don't really understand how that works.
Well, can I ask a question?
Let's hold on a second. So I'm going to pull the email. Because I had very pointed questions. You guys like to do this, where you like overstep the agenda that, like, I make up, right? You like to talk badly about me in front of my dad and show my dad pictures that you did not include in the report to me. And I have pictures of that, so. You threatened my dad. Yes, my dad asked you, he said he wanted his daughter protected. He said that you would give me all the resources necessary for me to sell my house. When did I ever say I wanted to sell my house?
How the conversation.
That is though. I have it in a text message from my dad. And I actually emailed you for confirmation. You said nothing. You said nothing to it. You didn't deny it. And it's been out there for over a month. It's been out there for over a month, I'm sorry.
We offered to help in any way we could. You were there.
No, you want me to sell my house. For some reason, these people I think want my house. Yeah. So, again, I don't know why you guys thought you would come out here. Obviously, you want me to get angry. You want me to... Yeah, seriously, you do. Otherwise, you would have called me, set up a meeting, and had a conversation with me. This right here is intimidation. It's intimidation. I'm not going to stand for it. So...
My door's always open, just like we
I get that, and I said I did not feel comfortable talking to you unless I had legal representation.
And I totally understand.
So that's what I'm working on right now, actually.
Okay. And if you're
That's what you guys have interrupted me to do.
legal representation, you should have that person contact you, all right?
I know.
So is that your intent?
At this point, yes.
So but you want us to continue to have this conversation without that legal representation now?
No, I don't. I really don't, because I feel that you guys, number one, if you wanted to resolve something, why didn't I get an email saying, hey, we would like to talk to you about this, at minimum? I haven't seen that email come through. Why not even do that? Why not, be transparent, respond to the email.
Well, I think that's the purpose of coming over here today, is try to get to the bottom of it.
Transparency is written in documentation, sir. Transparency is always written in documentation. We all know that, correct? If it's not written down, it didn't happen. Yes, we do know that.
I don't appreciate you speaking on my behalf.
I'm just saying, in general, like,
It's transparent in the video of the conversations that we're having. That's pretty clear.
yeah, I'm gonna come off as, oh, she's aggressive, right? Yeah, I know exactly why you guys came here. I know exactly why. The undertone is, what? Danielle is aggravated, is angry. I tried to do that, but you talked poorly. You ruined my relationship with my dad. You did. You did. You did.
I offered to help any way I could.
No, you didn't. Sir, it's my home. I'm the one that bought the house. You talked to my father directly instead of talking directly to me that day. No, you didn't. You acted like you didn't even know me, sir. When you came up here, I think we've met before. Maybe we've met before. I'm not really sure. Even though I shook your hand on that Monday. So yeah, your words to me are like they're lies. They're lies. Constant lies. And I'm not okay with it. And I'm not going to stand for it. I told you guys I've already gone through workplace discrimination. This feels very much like that. You guys got the corporation counsel here, so yeah. What did I have to talk about at work? Corporation counsel. So yeah, very familiar steps here. I'm not stupid, okay? I'm not stupid. And I'm really disappointed in the fact that you guys wouldn't just respond to my email and say, hey, we would like to have a further discussion to resolve this, and allow me the opportunity to be prepared to have that discussion instead of coming to my door in the middle of the day.
I think you misinterpret my presence here. I'm here to see if I can offer some sort of resolution or help assist.
The resolution is to please set up a meeting. Okay? That's really where I would see the next step.
If you're indicating to us right now that you have legal representation with...
I don't have legal representation. I'm looking for legal representation. That is what I'm in the process of doing.
Well, if that's your intent, ma'am, please have them contact me, because I don't want to put you in a position to feel...
I feel threatened at this point.
Well, I understood. But what I'm saying is, if that's your indication that you want that legal representation, which you're obviously entitled to, I believe in that.
I'm not a lawyer and I don't feel comfortable.
No, and I get it, but I don't want conversations to continue or us to respond if you're holding yourself out and that's your motive. That's what you're going to do, because I don't want to have to back you in a corner and respond and things get misinterpreted even further when it is your intent to secure legal representation to handle those things for you. If words are going to get twisted, it seems like they already have.
Have you read the email? Have you read the email?
I'm not going to, because you've made indications that you want legal representation. I don't think it's appropriate for me to weigh in.
I got you. Okay. Yep.
And I think your lawyer would feel that way as well.
Okay. Thank you. I do appreciate that.
In the meantime, I think it's important to understand whether it's this house or that house or something across the street. If a complaint comes into code enforcement or the police department or whatever the case may be, whatever the level of that complaint is, it has to be...
I get it, but the thing that can be investigated too is the fact that the accusations are continually false and have no merit to them. That to me is cause for...
Right after the tense moment in the previous video, we dive into another intense encounter between a citizen and the police, where something as simple as parking the wrong way quickly escalates into a confrontation. Did this man really do anything wrong? Or was he just trying to protect his car and do his job? Are the officers overstepping by demanding his ID without any valid reason? Watch this video till the end to see how it all unfolds, and don't forget to comment below. Who do you think was in the right here?
How's it going, man? How are you?
How are you?
Good. This is a weird way to park.
I'm working, man. I work here.
Oh, you do?
Yeah. What's your
You have an
name?
ID with you, or?
Got a name and badge number?
Yeah, absolutely.
What's your name and badge number?
Dan Padilla and badge number 541.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, cool.
So
you have an
what's-
ID with you?
What I need an ID for? I
I
just.
want to make sure that you work here.
Who you gonna call my boss?
What's that? Oh, yeah.
I'm a janitor.
You are?
Yeah.
Oh, I've never seen you janitor in here. That's why I'm asking.
I've been working here for 4 years, sir.
Oh, really?
So I mean, you must be new. This is a new route or something?
No, it's not a new route.
Well, I mean, I work here 7 days a week,
Okay.
same time every night.
All right. I've never seen you janitor in here, and I
Yeah.
work here every night also during the week.
It's all good, but yeah, I work here, sir.
Cool. Do you have your ID with you?
What I need ID for?
Because I want to make sure that you are you, and this is a weird way to park. So that's why I'm here.
I clean here at night. I'm the only way. You know why I park right here like this? Because my car done got bipped outside before. I got vacuums. I can't get my shit bipped like this. I park right here so I can hear and know what's going on, be alert.
Okay.
But what I'm trying to figure out. I'm loading my car up,
Okay.
and you asked me for ID. You pulled up on me. I'm not. I mean, did the
understand
alarm
that,
go
but
off
this
or
is-
something?
this is a weird way to park.
But this is our property. This is our property. We work here.
I understand that. Do you have a business card that
I don't
has
have
your name on it? or-
I can tell you my name, sir, but I don't have no ID for you. Ask me.
That's fine. Yeah, I want to make sure that you are you.
But I'm just saying, what do I need to show ID for? Can I have your
Because I'm here
business
talking to
card?
you. Places like this get broken into all the time.
Can I have your business card, sir?
I don't have a business card, but I gave you my name and I gave you my badge number. Did I not? You asked for it. I gave it to you. What's your last name, sir?
Can I ask you a question?
Go for it.
What am I doing wrong? Have I committed a crime?
No, but
Am I under
this is
suspicion for something?
This is rather suspicious.
I
parking
work
right
it. You
here.
want me? Well, can I get out of the car and unlock the door for you and shut the alarm down?
Heck yeah.
Yeah,
That'd
let me
be
do
awesome.
that. Can I do that?
Yeah, for sure.
I'm not gonna get shot, right?
No.
Okay, yeah. But can I have your name and badge number, sir?
Meredith, 656.
Say it again.
Meredith, 656.
Okay. I'm gonna show you my we unlock the door for you, man.
Okay.
Y'all got a key too, right?
No, I don't have a key actually.
That's good.
Yeah. Can I still get your name? Is that
What do you need that for, sir? I'm trying to work here. What do you need my
So I'm
name
here
for?
talking to you.
But
Okay. Have it your way. That's fine. I was here checking on your business.
But the alarm didn't go off.
You
What are you checking on me
understand? You
for?
work here. I'm just making sure that you're.
Like I told him, sir.
everything's good to go. I'm
Like I
making
told
sure
him,
no one's
the reason
breaking into your
I've been
work.
working here for 4 years. The only reason why I park right here is because my shit got bipped outside the thing. He hit the corner, see me load my car up, and then come ask me for ID. Ran up on me. First of all, I put the lights on me as if I was committing some kind of crime. I work here. I just let y'all in here.
My headlights are on. I drive with them on.
But you
all
put
the
them in my
time.
face. That's the only reason why I put the light back on your ass, because you put them. I'm sitting in my car. You just
Okay,
seen me. I
okay.
see you at the light.
Sir, it's
Okay.
closed business, right?
I've been working here for 4 years, sir.
And I never seen you. park
You
like
ain't.
this or
Well, I ain't
anything
never
like
seen you.
that. Okay, and that's fine.
So how's it? Okay, why you need my ID then? Do I show me your ID? I'm still waiting on your car.
I gave you my name. My
I
badge
need.
number.
Oh, give me
I
your
have yet
car.
to
You're
get
supposed to
your-
supply a car.
I have yet to get
I'm just
your
trying to figure.
name.
I'm just trying to figure out why I need to show my name
Okay, cool.
and my ID for something that I'm
We're
not doing
good now.
nothing.
You don't want to give me your name. That's fine.
You know I don't have to show you my name. That's the cold part about my rights. Why would I forfeit my rights for nothing? I'm over here working. I'm doing my job.
Okay.
You making me late for my next
I'm not
job.
taking anybody's rights.
I'm late, sir.
Do you want anything else?
I need you to just leave.
Okay.
You dismiss and you
That's
dismiss
fine.
too. What's your name again,
That's
sir?
fine.
Meredith.
Y'all both dismissed.
Yeah. You're not dismissing me. I'm good. You take care.
You leaving.
All right.
All right, y'all. Toodaloo. Fucking tyrants.
Both of these encounters clearly show one thing: knowing your rights matters. In both cases, we see ordinary people being questioned and pressured by authority figures, yet standing their ground calmly and confidently. Whether it's at home, on the street, or at work, the message is the same: stay respectful, stay aware, and never give up your rights. What do you think? Were the officers justified in their actions, or did they go too far? Share your thoughts in the comments. Let's talk about it. And if you want to see more real encounters like this, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one.